Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Kendall Jenner set hearts ablaze with her glamorous Hollywood Hills photoshoot on Thursday. The Vogue supermodel wowed fans with her breathtaking look in a white lace midi dress while striking a pose on the balcony of the lavish house. She completed her glam look with a pair of black slip-on shoes and accessorized with dainty gold jewelry. Keeping a soft glam makeup look with nude lips, Kendall appeared in high spirits as she flashed a smile for the camera while sitting down in between shots. The beauty is currently dating NBA star Devin Booker, following romances with Harry Styles, Philadelphia guard Ben Simmons and Brooklyn Nets forward Blake Griffin. Despite dating the Phoenix Suns basketball player for 2 years, he has yet to make a cameo on Hulu's The Kardashians. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.